How to verify your YouTube channel from your mobile. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can easily verify your YouTube channel from your mobile so that you can use advanced features like custom thumbnail and you can go live on YouTube. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So to verify your YouTube channel on your mobile, first of all you have to open your Chrome browser and here you have to search for studio.youtube.com and after that click on go. And here you can see YouTube Studio is open, and from here you can select your channel that you want to verify, and after that here you can see setting gear at the bottom left corner. Click on it, and here you in the setting option click on channel, and here you have to click on feasibility feature eligibility. And here you can see on the second step intermediate features. Click on it, and here you have to click on verify phone number, and a new window will open, and here you have to select your country, and here you have to enter your mobile number for verification and click on next, and you will receive a text message for verification. So after putting the verification code, your channel would be verified successfully. So guys, in this way you can verify your YouTube channel or mobile very easily. If this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.